Hey everyone, Merry Christmas! Let's create this beautiful postcard. For this, I am using a handmade paper sheet, modeling paste, a palette knife, and a golden color acrylic. Also, a small brush. Pour a small amount of modeling paste in a bowl. If you do not have a modeling paste, you can mix talcum powder and glue and create a paste. With the help of palette knife, create the textures of the Christmas tree and let it dry for an hour. Once it is dried, use the golden acrylic color and paint the edges of the texture. Use a small brush, preferably 0 or 1 number, for painting the edges of the texture. Ta-da! A Christmas tree postcard is ready. I would love to see your creations, so go ahead and create it. And please tag me. I will share them to my stories. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.